Welcome to MetaAccess. Today, I'm going to show you how to utilize our grace period feature. Here, we have a policy that contains a rule that will treat a device as non-compliant if the severity of issues found on the device are warning or critical after 1 hour. So, until the 1 hour mark has been reached, the device will be considered in a grace period. This grace period provides the end user with an opportunity to remediate any warnings or critical issues found on their device before they lose all access to their resources. After the hour has passed, the device's compliance status will be changed to non-compliant. This is following what we configured in the policy earlier. With no more grace period and the device being considered non-compliant, the end user must remediate all issues to regain access to their resources. And that's how to use our grace period feature.